Hello, everyone, and welcome to our live demo session of YouTrack Helpdesk. I'm Lena, the YouTrack product marketing lead, and it's a pleasure to host this webinar with Anastasia, our technical support lead. For those of you who will be watching the recording, please don't hesitate to reach out with questions anytime. YouTrack. YouTrack is a flexible project and knowledge base management solution. More than 100,000 teams globally trust us with their task management, and we at JetBrains focus on making YouTrack flexible to the needs of various teams. Whenever you're a part of a smaller company focusing on creating something specific, or you are a global enterprise team working on with multiple departments internally, YouTrack can be adapted to your team's need. And it is easier than you think, actually. Today, we will talk about support teams and dive deep into YouTrack Helpdesk and its capabilities for support teams and internal service desk purposes. Helpdesk projects in YouTrack help to work with tickets from your external customers. We call them reporters. You can help in a limited number of reporters for free with Helpdesk project. Reporters can submit their tickets. They can use an email or an online form, and you can add that online form to any website site or portal easily. Then come support agents. Your support agents can answer the tickets in UTrack, and their answers will be sent to reporters via email. In UTrack, you can have free support agents for free anytime, and you can start a paper agent subscription, then you have a larger support team. And your other team members, UTrack users, can work with their projects, internal projects, and also be involved in the support tickets discussions in help desk projects. But they cannot post public replies to the tickets in the help desk projects. So if you are already using UTrack and would like to start with a help desk project, you can just select your users who needs to be agents to. Who need to be agents to, and if you are new to UTrack, just decide who of your team members will collaborate internally. They need only a user license, and who will be answering tickets publicly. They would need an agent license too. And you don't need to pay for the external customers, your reporters. They always using UTrack Helpdesk for free. Today, we'll show you how it works in a live demo with a very simple imaginary scenario. First, you'll see how reporters submit their tickets, then how support agents can work with those tickets, and then we will go through the help desk project setup. So let's go. Let's see it in action. I'm going to share my screen now and show you my mailbox. So imagine that I'm a customer of a pet shop named Fluffy Pet. Fluffy Pet has an online store, and currently I'm waiting for the delivery of my order, which is already 2 days late, unfortunately. I found the support email on their website and send a request to clarify the status of my order. And I actually immediately got a reply. So I see that in my mailbox that a request was received by Fluffy Pet. Let's check how it looks like. Um, they say that the Fluffy Pet support team will get back to my request soon. That is fortunate. So I can easily do nothing else and just wait for the reply coming to my mailbox. But to be honest, I'm a long time and a very experienced customer. So I want to visit the support center for some more information. The email also included a link. I can click on it and be redirected to my ticket. And actually, I'm already logged into my account in the support center. This is basically already a U-track of Fluffy Pet. The side of it, which I can see as their customer. Uh, I can view here all the tickets that I submitted. There are several of them, as we can see, but I can see only my tickets. So no information from other clients will be disclosed to me. And some of these tickets have already been answered and resolved, and I can check them out and see the whole history of the conversation with the support agent in those tickets. I see, of course, my recently submitted ticket here too, and I will see any updates if they are gonna be coming from the support agents soon. Uh, what I'm thinking of now that the support team will probably need my tracking number, so I can get to my ticket and basically add some comment here to let them know about my order, some more information. Let's say that here is my tracking number. It is 567. Let's post the comment so the support agent can see it. Uh, that is it, and I hope that this comment will help them to locate my order more quickly. Now let's wait for the reply of my tickets. But as I said, I'm a long-standing customer, so despite this delay with the order, I'm still quite loyal. And actually, I have another question about the upcoming winter sale to ask. Before submitting the new ticket, I'm going to explore the shop's knowledge base to see if my question has been already answered. There is a knowledge base that was made public and available to their customers by the Fluffy Pet shop. How convenient. I can see the content here. There are some frequently asked questions. Yes, some convenient information about the store working hours, offline stores, and some more information. So I'm actually interested in the sale. So let's look for the sale information using search. Yeah, here's the article. Let's check it out. Oh, that is nice. It is actually about the Halloween sale. How how wonderful. But actually, my question is about the upcoming events. So I didn't find any answer about it. So let's go and actually submit a new ticket and ask the support team to help me. What I'm going to do, I'm using the new ticket form and let's post my question here. So it is about winter sale. I would you please let me know if my favorite um, brand is going to be on sale soon. Thank you. That is basically a normal question, not an incident, no. And yeah, I don't have an order number, but this field is not mandatory, so I can basically click on send and submit my request. I see the confirmation that the team of the Fluffy Pet will be reviewing the information and will hopefully update me with an answer soon. That is actually it. Despite submitting the ticket via the support center, I can still wait for the email reply to it because I was logged in here with my email, so I don't need to sit tight here and to stay within the help desk interface of the YouTrack within the support center anymore. So I'll get on with my day. And will check my emails from my mailbox from time to time, like I'm doing now. And the in my email, I'll probably see all the updates. First of all, I see the confirmation that the new request was received by the shop, and the moment I will get any answers to my previous request on the delayed order, I hope to see it here in the mailbox as well. Actually, I truly believe that that it's gonna be resolved soon because you've seen, I have an experience with this shop, and they never let me down. So that that is how it works on my end as a customer. And now Nasty will show you how smoothly or how convenient it works on the support agent side. So Nastya, the floor is yours.
Yeah, thank you, Lena. Hi, all. Thank you for joining us today. I'll be playing the role of the support engineer, of a support agent of the Fluffery Pet shop, and I will guide you through the internals of our support world and will show you how we handle the tickets and what means YouTrack provide us to do that, and how we do our best to get to our customers as soon as possible. Yeah, so of course, to provide replies in a short amount of time, I need to keep an eye on all tickets, on all incoming tickets that we currently have in our backlog. And For sure, I'm getting all email notifications about new requests, about new comments from our customers. But also, I have a dedicated tab that contains all tickets that are currently submitted by our customers, that were already solved, that are currently in progress, or where we are waiting for our customers' reply. So you can see the ticket that was submitted by Lena about her delayed order, and of course we are already on it, and the order is being investigated and will be delivered, like, I hope tomorrow. So Lena, everything is under control, and I hope you'll get your order tomorrow. Meanwhile, let's check what I have here. So, of course, it's not very convenient to have tons of tickets. It would be very hard to sort through them, right? So that is why YouTrack allows me to filter them. First of all, I have several views I can navigate through. So I can check, for example, all tickets that are assigned to me. So this is kind of my personal backlog. I can see their statuses and the reporter's name. And basically, this table can be configured quite easily. So I can remove the fields that I don't need right now, or I can reorder them if something is more important and I want it to be displayed in a at a certain position. What else do we have here? So you can see the SLA column. This is basically the time that we have to get back to our customers. These are time policies that we configure ourselves for our pet shop, and it's kind of a commitment that we do to make sure our customers get the best service. So you see that the green time policy shows how much time I have to get back to the customer. So I still have about 19 hours to investigate the problem and to compose a reply. But as soon as this policy is breached, it will be immediately highlighted in red and alert the support team. So you see that there is a ticket that should have been answered like 1 hour ago, and it still doesn't have an answer yet. So that would be probably my first priority, to make sure the customer doesn't wait for too long. Okay, so of course these filters that you can see here, they are all customizable. So YouTrack provides a set of default views for you, but if you need more, if you want to customize them, you can configure your own views or searches that will display your own tickets, or all tickets over your team, or all unresolved tickets, or all high priority tickets, wherever you find suitable for you, and for your team. And besides that, usual filters that YouTrack provides are also here for you. So you can sort your tickets, you can filter them by assignee, by state, by other fields that are available here. That's all, of course, is here for you too. Okay, moving on now. So what we have here, yeah, let me check. So we had a ticket submitted by Elena about yeah, let me sort them by created date, right? That will help me to find tickets that were created recently. So these are tickets that are the oldest one. You see that some of them are sold already, and these are the newest tickets, so I can easily find what was just what tickets have been just submitted. Yeah, so as I'm working since I'm working with multiple tickets simultaneously, and I don't want to leave the tab with tickets often, so I don't want to switch between tabs. YouTrack provides me the quick ticket view in this case, so I can just open any ticket and browse through its details quite easily, so I can see all the fields, who is working on the ticket, how much time do we still have, its state, its type, etc. Of course, I can handle the ticket right from here, so I don't even need to open the full page view. Some of support engineers prefer to work with tickets like that, so that they can handle the maximum number of tickets in the shortest amount of time. Besides that, of course, I can also open the ticket view, um, right? And I will see all the same details here. I will have the text editor where I can reply to our customer. I can format the text, and I can also use comment templates so that I don't need to repeat some phrases that I use very often, like in any ticket. Of course, this template can be customized further. So let me cut out the second part. I don't need it right now. And well, basically, it's ready to be posted. And to save my time, UTrack allows me to change the state at the same time with submitting a comment. So let me switch this ticket to the open state, and you see that it was automatically assigned to me, so I don't even need to do it manually. Okay, so what do we have here? You see there is a progress bar that is slowly filling in the revised comment hint. While it's filling up, I still have time to edit this comment, and the notification is not sent yet. So let me check how it works. Let's add some greetings. Some greeting here. Hello, Lena. Yeah, and I can update it. Now the changes are applied, and the ticket has been successfully updated. Besides that, you can see that there is a signature that was appended automatically to my answer. So I didn't have to post it manually. And of course, each support agent can configure the signature in their profile and add their name, and the company they're working at, just to make the communication more clear. Yeah, so while well, Lena is very quick, so she has another question to us. Probably she's waiting for the solution about the winter sale, but we still need some additional time because I don't have the answer yet. The winter sale is a huge campaign that is being developed by our product managers, and well, yesterday our product manager asked me about whether we have any requests from our customers about this winter sale. What do our customers want? And to keep them up to date, to keep them in the loop, I'm going to add our product manager to the CC of this ticket so that they get notification about all new comments about the winter sale from Lena, and the product management team will be aware of what our customers expect from this winter sale. And to provide some more context to the product manager, I'll leave an internal comment. You see there is a switch that highlights the comment field in yellow. That means that this comment will be visible only to the support team. So it allows me to engage some internal discussion that will not be visible to the end user, to our customer, but at the same time it will allow me to keep the related discussion on the same ticket page, so I don't need to initiate it somewhere else, to switch between tools or tabs. It will all be here related to the winter sale question. So John, here is a question about the winter sale. Please check it out. Okay, so John will receive a notification about this update, and probably will take into account this ticket when planning the winter sale. Yeah, so once again, you see that by default, well, generally, support tickets are visible only to the ticket reporter, to Lena in this case, and to our support team. Um, so if I want to initiate some internal discussion, that's also possible by creating internal comments. And also, it's possible to add our internal users to the ticket context, to the CC, so that they know what is happening inside the ticket and can provide some input if needed. Okay. Also, I know that our product management team is currently in the progress of creating this winter campaign, and there should be a global issue about that. And here it is. I can easily link it to the ticket, and now everyone who is working on this campaign, they will see the linked support ticket. They will be able to navigate here to check out the details if needed, and also we will not lose any important details, questions, and clarifications when we need them. So you can see that YouTrack Helpdesk allows support agents to keep everything related to a certain support ticket on the same page, because we can link corresponding tasks and issues. We can easily escalate some questions and require some additional input from the rest of the team. We can check who is working on the ticket. We can check its status. We can check how much time we still have to provide replies, and of course, we can see the conversation that is going on with our customer. Yeah, several more important details here. So what can I do? YouTrack also, well, YouTrack loves to do some stuff for you. And Helpdesk is not an exception here. So you have a set of default options that you can use. For example, you can mark a ticket as spam if, for example, someone submitted a ticket by mistake or tries to, I don't know, to bombard you with some unuseful emails. You can also merge tickets. You can merge several tickets in one. It can be useful if, for example, a customer submitted several tickets, several duplicated tickets by mistake, and to avoid duplication, you can just merge them into one and continue handling it in one ticket. And also, sometimes your customer can ask a question that is not related to your current conversation, so you don't want to confuse them and your support agents. And it really makes sense to move this question to a separate thread. In this case, there is an option to create a new ticket from comment. You can see it here. So you see, Lena is asking about her loyalty card. So it's not related to the winter sale we're discussing here. And in order not to confuse anyone, I'm going to create a new ticket. So there will be a loyalty card question. Um, yeah, there will be loyalty. Sorry for that. Apply action. Right? And you see that a new ticket was created automatically for me. There is a link to the new ticket, and I can easily navigate there and see that the description was transferred from the initial question. And there is also a descriptive note so that everyone understands what is going on. Yeah, now it's quite easy to navigate between these two tickets. And yeah, so that's pretty it from our side, from the support agent side. You can see how we can easily achieve two important points. First of all, we can keep everything that is going on in the scope of a certain ticket on one page, so that we don't need to switch between tabs and different tools to get input from our team, or to link corresponding tasks, or to do any automations. And the second point is that we can easily provide feedback to the team about what is going on in our support world, what our customers want, what do they ask about, because we can just link tickets to other issues, and everyone interested can just check it out. But At this point, you may wonder how you can configure all this stuff, right? How you can set up the project, how you can set up the support center that allows you to do all this magic. Let's check this out too. So now I'll be a project administrator who needs to configure a support center from scratch. As usual, you can navigate to the settings from the ticket page, but let's start from the very beginning. So we need to set up a support center, right? A support project, and to do that, we need a project. So we're going to start with creating a project, and the most important step here is to create a help desk. Is to select a help desk template. Okay, so the name would be, well, let it be pet shop, right? So we are still going to provide some assistance to those who want to give joy to their pets. Yeah, and the project is created. So YouTrack provides a set of useful hints to you right away. So these are important tabs that you need to go through to configure to set up your support project. Let's do that. So one of the most important tabs here is the team tab. So why do we need it? We needed to organize your support team. So these are people who are going to handle your support tickets, who will be able to leave public replies and communicate with your end users, with your customers. To do that, we need to add users who are agents in YouTrack to this team. So in my case, they are Tom and Felicity. Yeah, and Felicity, you see that they are support agents, so they will be able to post public replies in our tickets, and they are the squad who is going to help me to cover this pet shop support. Since I expect them to reply in tickets, I'm going to add them to assignees, so they will be able to assign tickets to them and to handle them. But besides the support team, I also want some people from the rest of the team to be added to this project team too, because I want them to stay in the context of what is going on. And sometimes I will need to escalate tickets to them, or to ask for their input in tickets, like I did with the example of the winter sale. So I'm going to add John and Carrie. They are not agents, they are just standard users, so they will not be able to post public replies, but we will still be able to engage into internal discussions in tickets with them if needed. So I'm not going to add them to assignees, because I don't expect them to handle tickets. What else we have here? It's the fields tab, a usual tab that each project has, where you can configure fields that you want your tickets to have. So there is a set of default fields, but of course you can add new fields or existing ones. For example, let me add the location field so that our users can specify the location of the offline store they submit a request about. And yeah, there will be a list of locations here. What else we have here is the channels tab. That's also one of the most important settings when configuring the support center. And there are, well, channels are basically ways how your customers can submit tickets to your support center. And there are two ways to do that. The first one is using online forms. And this is the channel that is pre-configured for you by default. You see that there is a form that your customers can use to submit tickets. So all you have to do is to share this link with them. You can embed it to some third-party website, or you can just share it with your users, and they will be able to submit tickets. Of course, you can edit this form. So that was just a default option that you can customize according to your needs. So you see that YouTrack suggests you fields that you have in your project, and you can drag and drop them here. And let's ask for the attachment. Yeah, for the attachment. And I think that the customer will need some clarification about what we expect here. And what I expect here is to attach an invoice. Please attach your invoice here. Right? So they will see this hint when submitting a ticket. And this tab allows me to customize the confirmation message that our customers will see when submitting a ticket. So let's change it. Our team, the pet shop team, yeah, will review the information provided and reply to you by email. Perfect. Okay, so we've edited the form, and now it's ready to be used. As I said, it's possible just to share. It's enough just to share this link, and the users can will be able to submit tickets. Now let's review the second channel, and this is email channel. That is, well, it's based on the mailbox integration. That means your customers can send emails to a predefined mailbox address, and YouTrack will convert them into tickets. For YouTrack Cloud installations, it can be configured in literally 2 clicks because we provide a default mailbox address for each cloud installation, for each cloud YouTrack. All you have to do is to select this default mailbox address and click connect, and here it is. It is done. Now the email channel is also active, and our customers can send their emails and requests and or complaints or feedbacks to this email. YouTrack will convert them into tickets, and our support team will handle these tickets um, shortly. Yeah, so that was about how your customers can submit tickets. Now let's see how we can configure the reply times. So these are SLA policies where we define the amount of time that we have to get back to our customers. First of all, you can configure your working schedule here. So let's say we're closed on Sundays, and we're working 9 to 5, right? And now we can create a new policy. So there will be reply time policy. Yeah, and I'm going to base it on the priority field. So for urgent tickets, I would like my team to get back to users in no later than 2 hours. Then a high priority can be 3 hours, and then 4 hours. A low priority can be, well, 1 day. And I want all questions to be resolved in no later than 2 days. Okay, so that's pretty much it. The only setting left here is when you want the clock to stop ticking. So when while we're waiting for our customer response, it doesn't make sense to count down the time because there is nothing we can do. We're waiting for a response. So I can list the states when we are waiting for a customer reply, and that is pending. So when a ticket is moved to the pending state, the clock will not be ticking. Yeah, and all I have to do is to activate the policy. Now YouTrack allows me to add all requires fields to the project. I can do it in just one click, and it is done. Let's go to the fields tab and check that, yeah, these fields were successfully added to the project. That's almost it. So at this point of time, your customers can already submit tickets, and your support engineers can reply to them, assign tickets to themselves. They will see the SLA periods of time, how much time they have to reply. And there is the last but not the least option I would like to cover here is the workflows tab. So this is what you can do to simplify your routines, to automate something. As we checked out before, there is an option to merge tickets, to create a new ticket from a comment, to mark a ticket as spam, and all this stuff is provided by workflows, of course. This is something that you can do that you can use out of the box without any additional configuration. But just in case if you want to modify this logic or add your own logic, or you want to customize it in any way, of course you can do that. So all you have to do is to go to the workflows tab and create your own automations or modify the existing ones. And in this case, you'll be able to provide even better experience to your support team, because some actions will be done for them automatically, like reminders, automatic assignments, or ticket distribution, whatever you find suitable for your support team processes. Yeah, so our now our support project is all set and is ready to be used. Let me show you how it works. So in the support center, our customers will see a new form to create a ticket, and you see that it contains the fields that we just added. Let's add a summary. Um, yeah, let it be a review about the shop, and there will be a totally good review, of course. Priority, I can specify the location. Yeah, let it be New York. Question, I can attach invoice, but it's not mandatory, and submit a request. You see that the confirmation is also was also modified. I've showed how to do that during the configuration. So here it is. And yeah, our ticket has been successfully submitted. Here it is. Yeah. So now the support engineer will handle it, assign it to themselves, and get back to the end user with a reply. So yeah, that's pretty it. We've covered all key features of YouTrack Helpdesk, and checked how YouTrack helps support teams to provide the best experience to their end users, and how they can make sure that they can get back to their users in the shortest amount of time, how they can configure the projects, how they can automate some stuff in order not to do it manually. And as usual, that's not it. There is so much more that UTrack Helpdesk can provide. So uh, as always, it depends on the process your team follows. So we're pretty sure that you can explore it yourself and customize it to the way that works the best for you and for your team. So now it's time for your questions. If you're watching us online, please go ahead with your questions. We'll be happy to cover them. And if not, then please feel free to reach out and we will get back to you shortly and we'll be happy to provide a reply. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day all.
Thank you.